Page 129, area. So there's not too much you need to know here other than the terminology. When you have 100 centimeters in length, and you multiply that by another 100 centimeters in width, you'll finish with 1 square meter. When you have 10 meters in length and you multiply that by 10 meters in width, you'll finish with 100 squared meters. And when you have 100 meters in length multiplied by 100 meters in width, you'll finish with what's called 1 hectare. 1 hectare. And if you look at this one, when you multiply 10 by 10, you get 100 meters squared. That's known as 1 acre. And then 100 acres will give you 1 hectare. So just get used to the terminology of hectare and of acre. Which of the following objects are most likely to cover an area? So remember, a meter squared is 1 meter in length by 1 meter in width. An acre is 10 meters in length by 10 meters in width. So think of our basketball court. That's a little bit bigger than an acre. And then a hectare is 100 meters in length by 100 meters in width. So for a hectare, think of our small pitch. A small pitch is probably less than a hectare. So a meter square, an acre is about the basketball court inside the lines of the basketball court, and a hectare is probably a bit more than the small pitch. So answer these orally. Which would you use to measure, to cover an area of each of these?